Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. May all the peace and blessings of the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. As you can see today, we have a question on the three-dimensional geometry. And that is a Kcse question that was carrying 10 marks and was being tested in the year 2018. This question is a very basic question and it captures the basic things that a learner must be having in this particular topic. Now let's look one by one. Giving the answer to correct decimal places, calculate the length MP. We want us to calculate this length MP. As you can see, this is a square, right? And this being a square, here is 90 degrees. Now, A, solution. A. It is like this. We have here M, we have N, M, P. MN 10, NP 10. Now we're going to get PM. Now PM squared shall give us NM squared plus NP squared, NP squared, and we are looking for MP or PM. Now MP will give us 10 squared plus 10 squared. Therefore, it will be 100 plus 100, which is going to give us 200 square rooted. Now 200 square rooted can be solved like it will be 100 times 2. This is a perfect square root, that is 10 root 2, which will give us 10 root 2 times 10. It's going to give us 14.14 centimeters. And that is the length MP. The angle MU and the plane MNPQ is where the ball of contention is. The angle between MU, we have MU here, and the plane MNPQ. Look at this statement. The angle between a line and a plane. This is the line MU and the plane MNPQ. How do we get the angle between a line and a plane? The angle between a line and a plane is the angle between the line. Let's look at the line. Where is the line? The line will be here. It will be from U coming all the way to M. The angle between the line, this is the line, right? And its projection on the plane. The projection of this line is this one. The projection of this MU, projection of B, projection of MU on the plane. On the plane, projection of MU on this plane class is MP. Therefore, the angle is between MU and MP. Because the angle between a line and a plane is gotten, the angle between the line and its projection on the plane. And we can see this is the line, and the projection of that line on this plane is this. Therefore, our angle is there. Now let's take out that triangle. From here to here we got, let's look at this, MU, this is this, M. Very good. This is MU and this is MP. We have MP, I mean UP, MP and PU and PU. MP we have 14.14, we got there. PU we have 15. Good. Now we want to get this angle. Now this we have the adjacent, we have the opposite. Now we can use tan. Theta is equals to opposite of our adjacent, tower. Our opposite class is 15 out of 14.14. What do we get? 15 divided by 14.14. shift, turn. Now we're going to get 46.69. 46.69 degrees at the angle between MU and MP. Thank you. Now let's continue. The length VO, length C, length VOC, length VO. How can we get the length? This is, let's say, O here. Now we want to get this length all the way from that length, VO. Now class VO, and we have the height 15 here. Already we have 15. Right? Now we only need to get this height. How can we get that height? VST. Take triangle. This one. VST. Triangle VST, here it has 13. Right? And here we have 10. Divided by 2, we get 5. Now 13 squared minus 5 squared will give us 13 squared minus 5 squared will give us square root answer. This one is going to give us 144 square rooted. It's going to give us 12 centimeters. Now this is 12 centimeters. Now class, you can see that this height here is 12 centimeter. Now again we can get like this and drop it this one. You can join that one, then we drop this one, then we draw another one like that. Now you can see this one is upright. This was the O, and this is our upright of the top plane. Now let's look at that one. Now it becomes like, that is, let's say here is M. Let's say here is M. Now we can see that M, which is like this, which now becomes 5. The hypotenuse now becomes 12, and we're going to have V upright. And we have, from here to here, we have 15 to our O now. Now can we get VO? Already we have 15 centimeters here. Now it will be 12 squared minus 5 squared. What do we get? 12 squared minus 5 squared. You're going to get 119 square root. Square root 119. 10.9. You're going to get 10.9 centimeters. Now VO is equals to O to now it becomes 15 plus 10.9, which becomes plus 15, 25.91 centimeters. Now that is the height VO. And lastly class, D. The angle between VST and RSTU. Class, we say that the angle between two planes, how do we get it? The angle between two planes is the angle between two lines. One on each plane. Now look at this. We have this line on this plane, right? Very good. We also have this line on this plane again. And this is the perpendicular. And therefore, this now becomes, our angle will become now here. Our angle will become angle theta there. Because the angle between VST and RSTU is this angle. Now here, this we got here 5, and here we're having 12. Now let's do that one quickly. Now it becomes very simple. Here we're having class 12, and here we're having 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter. Now you have adjacent, and you also have hypotenuse. Now we still use cos. Theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, which will be, adjacent is 5, hypotenuse is 12. Now 5 becomes 5 divided by 12. Now you're going to get shift cos inverse answer. Now it will be 65.37 degrees. And that is class basically the solution to that problem of the 3-dimensional geometry. And the basic thing is, how do we find the angle between a line and a plane? and how do we find the angle between two planes. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.